If you want a personal finance app that's powerful and won't waste your time, two names come up: Moneywiz and Banktivity. They both promise full control over your money, so which one's actually better? Moneywiz works on almost every platform and connects to thousands of banks worldwide. It supports crypto, multiple currencies, and complex budgets. You get custom reports, scheduled transactions, and even investment tracking. It's best for people who want flexibility, global sync, and full control. But some users mention occasional sync issues or bugs. Banktivity is a Mac OS and iOS only app built for Apple users. It offers strong budgeting, investment tools, and envelope-style money planning. It's great if you live in the US, use Apple devices, and want a sleek-focused interface. But it lacks Windows or Android support, and syncing outside the US is limited. Choose Moneywiz if you want global syncing, more customization, and cross-platform access. Choose Banktivity if you're fully in the Apple ecosystem and want a clean US-focused app. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.